Hi there, students. Brew, brew. Okay, brew is a verb. It can also be a noun. Let's see, to brew beer, to make beer. So a brew, a beer. Okay, so to brew beer, you add, we make ale or beer from malt and hops by fermentation. But you could brew tea, you could brew coffee. So he is to make a beverage by boiling and mixing varying ingredients. And then if something is brewing, it's something that is imminent. It's something that's happening. It's something that's going to happen soon. So there is trouble brewing. There is a storm brewing. You feel that it's about to happen. It's preparing. Everything was too quiet, and I knew that there was trouble brewing. It was getting ready. It was fermenting. Yeah, a storm was Clearly, I looked at the clouds, and a storm was brewing. Yeah, there was going to be a storm soon. So to brew, it talks about something that's going to happen in the near future. Normally something bad. We're preparing for something bad. Okay, so to brew, to make beer, to make tea, to make coffee. If something brews, it gradually develops its flavour, yeah, or it ferments. To brew beer, but a storm is brewing. A problem is brewing. Is in the offing. It's something that's beginning to develop. It's gathering force. It's looming. And then a brew, well, a brew can be a beer or a cup of tea or a mug of coffee. Yeah. We went for some brews in the pub, or I like a brew of tea before going to work in the morning. And then we can use this word a brew as well to talk about a mixture of things that you add together, and it makes a more powerful whole. So the group was a brew of people of different abilities. So there was a dangerous brew of discontent and poverty in the area. Yeah, well, the problems in this area stem from a brew of poverty and lack of education. Okay, so that's a rather dangerous brew. So to prepare beer or coffee or tea, to ferment, so trouble is brewing. And then to be in the process of forming, a storm is brewing. And then a brew, a mixture of different things. I guess the team was a brew of university students and schoolboys, for example. Okay, so brew. Okay, so it's problems are brewing. War was brewing in 1938, for example. Clearly mischief is brewing among that group of children. A crisis was brewing. Financial problems were brewing, as clearly the company was not selling enough. Okay, so to something that's brewing, something that's going to happen soon. Okay, so there are problems brewing. I could see a fight was brewing between the two groups. Problems are brewing. Okay, the coffee is brewing, I guess. Okay, so brewing, or to brew something something that's going to happen. So let's see, formality. Let's go for a couple of brews in the pub. 3.5 in formality. Shall I make some tea? Do you fancy a brew or perhaps some coffee? 3.54 in formality. A brewery brews beer. 5 in formality. Use anywhere. Problems are brewing. Danger is brewing. A storm is brewing. 5.5 in formality. Use anywhere again. And then as to origin, okay, it comes from an Old English word breuan, to brew, from Proto-Germanic breuana, okay, which is, all of these are talking about boiling or brewing. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Whoops.